Yo, YouTube fams. So early at the morning. Currently now is 4:34 a.m. Just woke up. I woke up around 4 a.m. in the morning. Meditated 15 minutes already. And yeah, now I try to learn copywriting. So I feel a little bit exhausted, but it's okay. And this is my day in the quarantine. Like maybe you will see you'll see my record screen, how I do, how I write. Yeah.
And the results that they'll get from using it. So you need to sell the result, not the product. If you wrote only about features, it would
Where's my eraser?
let's explore this edition a little bit more. Have a look.
That hurts really bad. Tears are dropping. I want to do time lapse for the sunset, but I have only one camera, so that's gonna be hard for me to film my reaction with the sunset going on. Not sure. Maybe I take this phone and go film the sunset, and then I have the program on my computer to film. Maybe a good idea. I'm not sure.
Saw beauty in the selflessness of giving. Heard sorrow in the songs of 1,000 merchant singing just to fill their emptiness. Knew wisdom was a choice of the moment, there for you to be now and not just to become.
Let's see if
I
you can
put
find
myself down just by looking up.
feature.
Fell love from the caring of a woman. For the loss of a
So
fallen child.
it's 25 minutes already since I have filmed this video using Pomodoro technique. So it basically is it's 25 5-minute break, 25 5-minute break, 25 5-minute break, 25, and then 15 to 30-minute break. So 3 sessions of 25 and 5-minute break, and then when you reach the 4th session you can take a break, whatever you want, 15 minutes to 30 minutes. It's depending on you. I usually take to 25 minutes on the 4th session. Usually they use best for me. So now I'll take a short break, 4 minutes.
And showed myself upon my own reflection.
So
Of a
I
world
just took a
I'm
4-minute
creating
break
that's
just now.
burning everywhere.
Let's start doing copywriting again.
So a song as one.
My eraser is cute, right? Oh no, the ball and she was like, do you want this?
As
I was
if
like,
they
okay,
were
why not?
written
And then I
to
get
the
this
beating of my heart.
and a small notebook. The
If
notebook
you can
was like
feel its
around
pulse, it's not
20
too late to
pages.
start.
It's a small booklet.
But it's not my place for
It
me
used to
to
smell
offer
good, but
lessons
yeah, it still smells good.
or give advice to those who have their own lives. But to share with you the simple things I find. Oh, but still you held this message in your eyes. In a promise to myself, I would express it. Well, not knowing if I'm capable or if I would respond. On the day I woke, the soul song is well.
So this is my personal recommended to you guys that why I personally wanna wake up 4 a.m. at the morning, not 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. or 7. Less than that. 4 a.m. It's still night outside, pitch dark. Why I wake up? Usually at 4 a.m. Research. There's no research that found that. There's no research that found that you're gonna be productive at 4 a.m. But there will be some research. I think so, in my opinion. But what I find for myself is when I wake up 4 a.m. I feel like I'm ahead of the world, ahead of everyone. I'm ahead of my neighbors. I am ahead of even my families are sleeping now. Even my neighbors are sleeping, but I'm working, so I feel like I'm going further. Understand? While they sleep, you're going. When they are awake already, you are here already. It's hard to them to catch up because you're moving also. So I feel good when I'm ahead of someone, and not to be arrogant, but it's like self-confident thing to just have discipline to wake up at 4 a.m. and while other people are sleeping, and you work your ass out, bust your ass off to reach what you want while other people are sleeping. But we cannot judge them. They might work late at night and sleep, but usually me, I sleep quick and then wake up early. Early bird catches the worm. That's how we do it. We cannot judge anyone, Maybe some people work to 1 a.m. and they sleep for 7 hours. They wake up 8 a.m. And that's fine too. But I usually sleep at 9 and then wake up at 4. So 7 hours. Yeah, around 9 to 10 I'll fall asleep. Yeah, so that's what I recommend you guys. So I wake up at 4 a.m. and see how it goes for you. And if it goes same as me, then you might be like ahead of the world, because in Thailand, if there is like specific stats that how many people wake up at 4 continuously, it might be less than 5%, I think. Yeah, so you're ahead of the world, ahead of everyone. So that's how I feel good. So try waking up at 4 a.m. and see how it goes. If it don't work for you, just stop and do your routine. If it works and you feel good, then start building routine, try stuff.
Now, when you're ready to translate the benefits, and then keep asking yourself so that you uncover those deeper benefits. Now, when you're ready to write, you sit down and put all of your messages in one place in your board, so you can And if I were you, I would always open your copy, whether it's a website, or an email, or a brochure, with a deeper benefit. Because those are the things that are going to hook people properly, whether it's throughout your copy. If I were you,
And other thing is, now it's raining too, so it's a good weather to sleep, So everyone make excuses to not work. It's like, oh, it's raining or stuff. I feel cold or stuff. But me, man, I'm on another level, man, in a good way, not a bad way. So yeah, what I was saying is I genuinely love what I'm doing. That's why I can work so hard and have the discipline. If you're not playing video games and stuff, try waking up at 4 a.m. and practicing. If you play like some Counter-Strike or something, shooting games, try practicing some shooting in games, and so that when you compete, you can be more accuracy and stuff, or something on the line of that. If you like anything,
because those are the things that are going to hook people.
so you understand what I basically mean, right? If you love something, try to do more, and if you say you get bored, then it's not what you love. The thing you love, you never get bored.